Alright, so the first thing you guys need to do is you want to go and download this. It's going to be a WinRAR folder, so if you guys don't already have WinRAR, then links will be down below for that. But other than that, you just want to right click on this and click extract here. Obviously I'm not going to do that because I already have all of them extracted, and we should be good to go. So after that, you should see all these folders. Each folder is going to be pretty much, you know, helpful. This is going to be the modded folder, which includes the mod menu, I guess. This is going to be the injector, which is the way you pretty much inject your mod menu into your PS3. And it's going to be how you actually, you know, send signal from your PS3 to your computer. So you guys can actually mod things like change your username, I guess, in game. It's kind of cool. Very, very important though. So make sure you guys download all these. I don't really think you need to disable your antivirus. Other than that, you should be good to go. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go and open up this folder, which I've got it ready to go right here. It's going to have a PS3 and a PC folder. The PS3 is obviously going to be for your PS3. It's going to be like where you install the install packages. And the PC is going to be the actual program, I guess, which I can actually just go and pull up for you guys. But basically, you want to go and set up the actual thing. So you want to run this, install it. It's pretty easy. Same thing as you install other programs, such as WinRAR, for example. And then this is what basically allows you to connect to your PS3. Obviously, pretty much basically how you would connect. You would pretty much put your IP right here. So you go to File and then Add New Console. Obviously, you need to check your IP, which I'll go and show you guys in a second. How do you check your IP for your PS3, not for your PC? There's a difference, and you can just name it whatever you want, like maybe test or hi YouTube or whatever. And then you'd paste in your IP right here, and then you click OK, and then it should create a new one. I guess I have a few because I've changed my IP multiple times, you know, for certain reasons. I guess it changes. I don't know, it changes on its own actually, so I don't know. But other than that, if you, you know, let's say you get banned or whatever, this is where you enter the, I guess, the console ID to change it, to get unbanned. To check your IP, you want to go and go to settings, and then you want to go to network settings, and then from there click settings and connection status list, and it should show you all the list of different information from your network. And then from there you guys will actually be able to see your IP, and then that's how you know where your IP is. But yeah, I don't really mess around with anything else. The only thing I really mess around with is this. Make sure that you have the IP set, and once you have the IP set in here and it's correctly, you know, installed on your PS3 as well, which I'll go and show you guys how to install that as well in a few seconds. You actually will need to run the injector, which is basically how you connect to your PS3 with the mod menu. You basically want to open up this, and you're not going to want to use TMAPI. You want to use CC API. This basically allows you to connect straight away. So you want to go and click on connect and attach, and then from here you want to go and select the IP that we made back on the other program. So for mine, it would be this one. Obviously it's blurred out for you guys so you guys can't see anything right now. And then you hit connect. Right now my PS3 is not off, or it's not on, so you guys can't really see anything, which, you know, I guess that's kind of that. It did crash because if it's not connected, if you cannot connect correctly, then it doesn't work. So make sure your PS3 is on, otherwise your program's going to crash. And yeah, we'll go and show you guys the PS3 way, I guess, to set up everything. Oh, before we do, actually, we do need to, 1 second guys, gotta quickly pull up the other thing. There we go. You actually do want to drag this folder, or drag this program onto your USB, the root of the USB. So make sure you have like nothing, so make sure this is not in any folder. You basically want to install this under install packages. I'm pretty sure you guys all know how to do that. It's kind of basic stuff. And it's going to install the actual thing so you guys can connect from your PS3 to your PC. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys that step right. Alright, so now you can go and plug in USB. Make sure you have the file inside the USB, the root of it, so it's not in the folder. Once you have done that, you can go and go to package manager and then go to install and then go to standard. Make sure the USB installed, otherwise it won't find it. As you can see, it says XX0001. That is the correct file. You want to go and install that just like you install anything else. And of course I already have mine installed, so we're good to go. After that, you just want to go and launch it, and you just want to install it. Complete the process. It's pretty easy. You just want to go and click on OK, and then from there you want to go and click on yes. Obviously I'm not going to do that because mine's already installed, and if I did that, then I'm going to install it. So yeah, for the next step we need to install the eBoot. So to do this we need some sort of file manager. If you guys don't have one, I recommend Iris Managers. Can be links below for that. And you basically install that by going to install packages, and then you install it same way as we did the last thing, I guess. And then you want to go and launch Iris Manager. From here you want to go and press start, and you want to go and enable FTP access. If under FTP active it shows an IP, that means you're good to go, and you just want to go and go back into your computer. Once you're on your computer, you want to go and open up the eBoot folder. The eBoot I provided is only for online, so if you're going to go play zombies, so you need to find a different eBoot for that. Or you can just go and back up the eBoot you currently have and use it later. But otherwise you can't use the mod menu without this eBoot, so make sure you guys install this. To install the eBoot, you guys will actually need FileZilla, so there's going to be links below for that as well. And you basically want to open up FileZilla, and then you want to put in your IP under host, and then press enter, and it should open up all these different folders. Then you want to go and open up dev_hdd0. Then you want to open up the game folder. At this point you need to know the ID of your game. You can actually check that on the spine of the game case, or you can just look it up online. It's probably going to start with the BLUS or BLES, so make sure you guys find the correct one. Once you know the ID of the game, you want to go and open up that folder. Inside that folder you want to go and open up the USRDIR folder, and at this point you want to go and replace the e-boot with one I provided. And if you guys didn't make a backup, I recommend you make a backup of the original one just in case you need it, and then you should be good to go. At this point you can go and restart your PS3 and then close FileZilla, and you should be good to go. Alright, so once you're in a Black Ops 2 lobby, you want to go to CC API, and then you want to go to connect and attach. From there you want to select the IP you want to use, and then click OK. This is going to connect. You guys will actually see a thing come up on your Black Ops 2 game. That means it's connected, and you should be good to go. After you have connected, you want to go and launch your game. Once you're in a private match lobby, you want to go to Inject, and then you want to go and find the Revolution menu that we downloaded earlier. And you just want to go and open that folder up, and then select the underscore, and then whatever that file name is. Select that, double click on it, and then it's going to go ahead and connect back to your PS3. That means you're pretty much good to go. If you see a thing on your PS3 come up, then you want to go and end the game, and you want to restart. So you have ended the game, you can go and start another match, and you basically have the mod menu for now on. You guys can actually go and go into public matches, but you do need to be a host to use the mod menu, so make sure you guys put on force host, and then you can go and enjoy the mod menu. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoy this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, favorite. Talk to you guys later.